Hello there FlexuFam, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's tutorial video, we are going to be exploring the e-commerce store under the e-commerce features section. Take note that this is part 2, a continuation of part 1, where we have explored the e-commerce store, which we have tackled the dashboard, the store settings, the checkout settings, the appearance settings, business hour settings, the categories, and last but not the least, the attributes. So before you continue watching this part 2 of the e-commerce store feature, please do watch our previous tutorial video on the part 1 about this options over here. Okay, heading on, as you can see, after you have created your products, as you can see, we currently have 10 products over here, or rather 10 pizzas that we have created from our previous tutorial video on part 1. We can now head on and visit our store since we have met all the required criteria to create our e-commerce store. Okay, as you can see, here is our logo along with the logo name, okay, or the name of your store. Over here you could search the products that you want to search over here if you have a lot. Okay, heading on, in this section is your categories. Take note that we only have one category that we have created, so that is the main pizza category, okay, which consists of 10 products. Heading on to the featured products, over here, okay, will be displayed the featured products that you have decided to display, okay, in your settings in part 1. So do make sure to watch that. Okay, heading on to the product itself, as you can see, pizza 4, pizza 10, pizza 2, pizza 8, and so on. Okay, along with its time, as you can see, it takes 30 minutes for these pizzas to create. And if you have watched our previous tutorial video, I have only created pizza 1 with a product description. So as you can see, a product description will be usually shown over here. Okay, and if you have watched our part 1, I have set the order into randomize. Okay, heading on, you have the option to either add to cart or buy now. Okay, heading on to the bottom, you have the option to go back, to go home, to check your cart, or to check your orders, or click on more. In my case, I have created an account, signed up rather, so I have this option to log out. Okay, but if you click more, you will be given the option to check your profile, to set your delivery address, and to check your orders. Okay, that is for the visit my store section. Heading on to your delivery points. Okay, take note that the delivery points are basically the location where your products or commodities or services will be delivered to the buyer. Take note this is optional, depends on your preference. Okay, so let's do this for this demonstration. Let's say my point details. Okay, let's say for example my point details will be this one: Robertson 1234 NW Bobcat Lane, and etc. Okay, click save. As you can see, the title is delivery point 1, the details of the delivery point, status will be active, and the actions you can edit or delete it. Okay, take note that this is optional. This is the location where your products will be delivered to the buyer. Okay, heading on to the QR code menu. Okay, as you can see here, select a store or delivery point. You can click on the delivery point that you have previously created. You can see here, so we'll just click on the default one. Okay, as you can see on the QR menu, we have two options: the messenger QR code and the outside QR code. So we will be explaining this right now. As you can see, for the messenger QR code, you could change the foreground color and the background color, as well as the outside QR code. Okay, for the messenger QR code, let's say you own a restaurant and you can print this QR code. So once Once your clients or users have scanned this code, they will then be redirected to this link. Okay, after which they will be redirected to the messenger, where they will be first greeted with this welcome message that states, "Hi, first name, welcome to our store." Okay, after which, once they click on the start, they will then be redirected to the store, where they could order or purchase your products. Let's test this out. Okay, let us now message this one. Okay, as you can see, "Hi John Alvin, welcome to our store," and once they click this, they will then have the option to visit our store over here. Okay, let's say we want to add this to cart. Okay, or we want to buy this one. Okay, we will have all these options over here. Okay, but before we can even make a purchase, let us first discuss the apply coupon over here. Okay, which is after the QR menu. Okay, heading on to the outside QR code, once your clients or users have successfully scanned this QR code, they will then be directed to your e-commerce store. No welcome message whatsoever. Okay, so that is the difference between messenger QR code and outside QR code. Once they scan this, it will directly redirect them to visit your store, not in messenger. Okay, you could also edit this as you wish, depending on your preference, as well as the button, depending on your preference. Okay, that's for the QR menu. Okay, let us now discuss the coupon section. Let's create a new one. Let's say we want our 10 pizzas to have a coupon code, just for this demonstration purpose. Okay, okay, 9 and 10. Okay, so as you can see, the products that are eligible for our coupons are pizza 1 till pizza 10. Okay, there are 3 types of coupon type. You have the percentage type, the fixed cart type, and the fixed product type. Okay, so for this tutorial, I will be using the fixed product since it is more better in my case, but depends on your preference. You may choose the present or the fixed cart. Okay, okay, for the coupon code, let us use the coupon code that we have generated from our previous tutorial. Okay, if you are wondering how we have created this coupon code, please do watch our tutorial video on the comment manager. In that tutorial, we have discussed how we have created this coupon code. So please do make sure to watch that if you ever want to know how we created this. Okay, let's use this coupon code. Okay, let's say the coupon amount, let's say since we have chosen the fixed product, let's say the coupon amount will be like $3, and the expiry date, let's just click anything just for test purposes. The max usage will be 5. Okay, you could also choose to enable the free shipping. If someone uses this coupon code, they will have free shipping on your coupon. Okay, they will have free shipping on their products that they have purchased. Okay, let us click save. Okay, as you can see, the coupon code is FlexuBot2024. The amount is $3 for this coupon. Okay, so let us now use this coupon code. Okay, let us now use this coupon code on our message over here. This is one way to get your subscribers or your users to buy using your QR code, but there is also another way. To know that other way, please do watch our bot reply tutorial video. That is the part 1.9, which we have tackled the e-commerce section in the visual flow. So do make sure to watch that tutorial if you want to know the other way to get your users to buy using your e-commerce. That is part 1.9 under bot reply. Okay, so heading on, let's say we want to buy this. Let's check our add to cart. Okay, let us delete this. Let's say we want to buy the featured products over here. Let's say pizza 1. Okay, as you can see, this is the images that we have uploaded along with the attributes. You have the details over here. There are 0 sales, 100 stocks. You could leave a comment if you want. There are also reviews once you have purchased it, and you could leave a note over here. Okay, this is the note that we have created. As you can see, we have left a note, purchase note, place here. Okay, if you have watched our previous tutorial, we have entered this. Okay, heading on the options, let's say we want extra cheese. Let's say we want extra 4 slices, and yes. Okay, let's add to cart. Okay, as you can see, the total is 19 USD. So let us apply a coupon code, FlexuBot 2024. Okay, as you can see, success. As you can see, it minus $3 over here. Okay, if you have already set your address, that is required in order for you to check out if you have a business that requires delivering it to your customers. Okay, as you can see, my orders over here. Okay, everything is done. We could write a note on the delivery. Let's say, please be careful and make it extra better. Okay, just for example, depends on what note you want them to leave. Okay, so let's proceed to checkout. Okay, so as you have watched from our previous tutorial video, we have set 2 payment options, whether cash on delivery or manual payment. So let's click on cash on delivery. Okay, so as you can see, it has printed us or created us an invoice, order 8, July 24, 2024, 7:54 p.m. Okay, bill to the name and your address over here. Okay, as you can see, the seller is over there. Okay, and this is your order with 3% off or $3 off. Okay, with 4 slices, extra cheese, the coupon you used, and the order status is pending, and the delivery charge. So overall is $16. And you have the note over here, please be careful and make it extra sweet. Okay, now you have successfully ordered it. You will have an order confirmation over here. Congratulations, thank you for shopping from our store, you made the right choice. If you need any information, just leave us a message over here. Okay, so you have the order confirmation over here, $16, and etc. You can see your order history and status here. You could edit that later while we have explained it. Okay, heading on to the signed up customers. Okay, as you can see, we have 1 guest and 1 account, which this is my account that I have signed up using this e-commerce store. Take note that you could change your user's password and email if they have somehow forgotten it. Okay, heading on to the orders. Okay, as you can see, I have already tested 2 orders beforehand. Okay, so this is the recent order right now, pending. Okay, as you can see, it is pending status. So let's say, for example, approve, submit. As you can see, it will message us over here. Hello, 𝐄-𝐂𝐻𝐿, order 8 status has been updated to approved. Thank you. Pizza store test team. Okay. You can update your clients over here in the order options over here on the actions section. Okay. All your orders will be redirected over here where you can check the status over here. Okay. Let's say it is already, let's say it is shipped. Okay, it will then send us a message. Okay, as you can see, payment status has been updated successfully. Ship. Okay, approved. Hello, 𝐄-𝐂𝐻𝐿, order 8 status has been updated to ship. Okay, let's say it is delivered. Okay, as you can see, order 8 status has been updated to delivered right away. Okay, then you can check your orders over here. You'll check your invoice over here. As you can see, it's delivered. Let's check the invoice, and there you have it. Okay, heading on to the copy URL. Okay, as you can see, in the copy URL is all the URL that you will be needing. Let's say the store page category, main pizza category. Okay, take note that the copy URL will come in handy once you have created a bot automation using the visual flow. Okay, so you will be needing this once you decide to create an e-commerce using the visual flow under bot replies. So you might need to copy this and paste it in the web view or to redirect them in the URL in the bot reply section. Okay, as you can see, this is the store URL. Once we copied it, it will redirect us to the store. Okay, so take note that this e-commerce store is tailored for mobile users, so that is why it is very spacious in the laptop, since it is tailored for mobile users. So that is why it is not that laptop friendly, since we have tailored it to mobile users. Okay, heading on, you have the URL for the category, main pizza category. Okay, heading on to the order URL. Okay, this will direct us to your orders. Okay, as you can see, my order over here. Okay, heading on to the product URL. This will come in handy when you decide to create a carousel mix and match with e-commerce. You will be using these URLs, and you will be needing each and every URL over here. Okay, this is all your products that you have created. As you can see, pizza 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, this is all the URL for your products, and this is the URL of the terms of service and the refund policy. Okay, and when you want to embed the code in your website, you could definitely do so by copying this code. Okay, heading on, next one we have is the order status notification. Okay, this is the order status notification that we just currently, okay, which we have currently just discussed. As you can see, delivered, shipped, and approved. You could edit those pre-made messages over in the order status notification. Okay, you could also tailor it to SMS and email. So take note, you will be needing our approval, okay, in order to access the SMS and email. Okay, so do make sure, if you want to access the SMS and email, do make sure to contact our customer service, because this is an add-on that is not included in our standard offerings. Okay, as you can see, you could edit your pending notification over here, approved notification over here, the rejected, the shipped, the delivered, and the completed, as well as the buttons if you want to do so. It's pretty self-explanatory. Okay, As you can see over here, hello John Alvin, order number. Okay, status has been updated to order status, updated depending on your preference. You could always edit it and make it longer depending on your preference. Okay, you could also do so with the SMS over here, it's the same thing. Okay, and the email. Okay, once you have contacted our customer service, we will be providing you the email sender, which will pop up over here. Okay, so please notify us if you want to access the SMS and email. Okay, heading on to the confirmation and reminder. So you might be asking, what is this used for? The confirmation and reminder is basically used for when your clients or buyers has added a product into their cart that they have forgot to check out. So this is where the confirmation and reminder comes in. As you can see, you can set up to 3 reminders. Okay, as you can see, you could tailor your message depending on your preference. As you can see, hi, first name, you wanted to buy something, seems like you have forgotten, and this is the product that you have forgotten, along with the title, the quantity and price, and the domain. Okay, you could view the details over here. Okay, you could edit it depending on your wish. You could say view details on missed checkout, but depending on your preference, you could always edit everything over here. Okay, and then after that, you could send a follow-up message with stock limited, complete your order before it is out of stock. Okay, so after you have edited your messenger template over here for reminding your clients, you could choose to send it after 1 hour, after 4 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, till 23 hours. Okay, in the span of 23 hours, as you can see over here. Okay, same with the reminder 2, same with the reminder 3. Okay, you can get up to 3 reminders only. Okay, heading on to the checkout messenger. This is when they have decided to check out and follow your reminder. You will then congratulate them depending on your speech type or tone. Congratulations, John Alvin. Thank you for shopping from our store. You made the right choice. If you need any information, just leave us a message over here. This is your checkout messenger, which we have already received over here. As you can see. Okay, you could edit that over here in the confirmation and reminder. Okay, as you can see, it sent us the exact sequence as we have received over here with the order confirmation. You can see your order history and status over here. As you can see, you can see your order and history and status over here. Okay, that's for the confirmation and reminder. Very self-explanatory and very easy to understand. Heading on to the reminder report. Okay, if you do manage to remind your clients and they have responded and you managed to get them checked out, it will be over here. Okay, so all your confirmation and reminder will be over here. Okay, you will have their first name, their last name, their email, their subscriber ID, and the reminder are sent at API response and their order. Okay, you could check it out in the reminder report. Okay, as you can see, it is not able to find since we haven't reminded anyone yet. Last but not the least is the delete store. Once you click the delete store, you have the option to delete it, all the data that include your e-commerce store. Deleting store will also delete all related data like cart, purchase settings, etc. Okay, yes, there we have it. We have explained every options that we currently have in our e-commerce store under the e-commerce feature. Okay, and there you have it. That concludes our tutorial video of the e-commerce feature. Thank you for watching. Once again, always remember, with FlexuBot, innovation meets automation for your success. See you on the next video. Until next time.